Hi guys, I'm Stephanie Nadia. If this is your first time, thank you so much for coming. If this is not your first time, hey girl, hey. We all have those moments when we feel like life is lifing per usual. And today was one of those days for me, and I decided to get 3 piercings out of the blue. I wanted to get them, but then I never felt ready to get them till today. So I woke up, got dressed, even though I didn't want to do it because I was scared of the pain and my mother's reaction. This was a very bad thing to do alone because it just gave me more time to think about how bad the news I got was. But you come into this world as one person, so you have to deal with some things as one person as well. Adding pain on top of pain isn't the right thing to do, but it definitely helped, trust me.
A few moments later.
They are actually cannot only me, I want this one.
Yeah.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
My phone is probably very loud, but I have makeup and I don't want it to come off before I even leave the house. So yeah, I haven't talked the whole of the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Too late to say that, but yeah, if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Yesterday was Tracy's birthday, as you saw in the previous clips, but then she was fully booked the whole day. So today is the day, like, we're just going to brunch with her and a couple of friends. So that's what we're doing today. I'm about to leave the house. I'm very late, and yeah, I hope you like my outfit. I'm loving it. So I'm about to request my Uber on my phone, which I'm filming with. So I'll see you guys when I'm in the car.
Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby.
Hi guys, I'm back to your vlog. So I just picked Tracy up. We're on our way to the vacation now.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had it to it, I'm still I don't want to rush into it. It's too soon, but I
When I went, I did all the three.
But you feel like doing another one again, right?
I'm going to do another one. No.
You could pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need
Hi, you are vlogging. Here.
We're the only ones.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Okay.
Where's that girl? She thinks she's from. Where's she coming from? They don't have your back. If you watch TikTok and YouTube, you know the vibe. You know the vibe already. I don't know what you're twisting. You expose your face in all the videos. Why? That's all. Oh, it's short.
I don't mean money. So get used to it. Yes, but get used to it. And then you can more like a small time.
I mean, good is good.
Reset. Go.
I'm not joking.
He's so ashamed if it's not him. That's okay. So beautiful. Plug it, plug it. All my earring into no from my head.
No one come and see for me.
Gotta roll over till you gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock up in your sleep. I'ma roll on the forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just make my mind and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah.
Your love is all I need. Your love is all I need.